Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Walmart Beauty Box. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, woo! I am on a roll today. This is my third unboxing for the day. Your girl is shot, but this is my last unboxing for the day, so I'm just gonna bang out this box really quick. Just because sometimes I feel like if I have the boxes, I just like to film them because sometimes there's days where if I come home, I'm tired and I don't feel like filming, and then I feel bad when I don't upload videos for you guys. I literally feel guilty every time I don't upload. It's like, this is what my world's become here. It's like, I gotta film a video, I gotta shoot a video, I don't wanna disappoint them, I don't wanna let them down. I never wanna let you guys down, so I sacrifice my health and tiredness sometimes and just try to bang out the video. So this is a way for me to just, if I'm tired, I have like a little chance. And it's a little break for me because then I can take a little break and relax in between. Even though I still don't really technically get a break because I filmed these 3 boxes that I just did today, but then I gotta edit 3 videos. So, and that's another whole process. Then I gotta do thumbnails for the videos. So you guys always see the finishing results, but there's a lot of work that goes behind. I really respect YouTubers now that I have my own channel. I never realized the work that goes behind doing a channel. It literally is a full-time job. Filming, the light, set up your lighting, you know, getting yourself presentable for the camera, filming, then you gotta edit, then you gotta do your thumbnail. It's like a whole, then you gotta answer. A good YouTuber responds to their subscribers' comments. Some people don't. I do, because that's just, you know, you guys are like family. I wanna, you know, communicate with you guys. So a lot of work behind it. So salute to anybody who has a channel, because I feel you. I know what it's like on the other side now. So when you see your video, trust me, there was a lot of work behind it, just from the outside looking in, to anyone who doesn't have a channel. But today I finally got my Walmart beauty box along with my other boxes, and this is a seasonal box, so you only get it 4 times a year. It used to be $5, which I thought was amazing, and now they put their prices up to $7. I feel like that's the trend now. Everybody's putting their boxes up. Like Allure put the prices of their boxes up, which I wasn't happy about. I just feel like if somebody already has a box and that's the price, they should keep it. I get things go up, but like some boxes are kind of nice where they're like, if you get grandfathered into the price because you had that price from when you started, and if new people have to pay the newer price. But Walmart put the prices up for everyone, so it's actually like $6.98, and I don't get why they always have the cents. So I just rounded to $7, but that's the actual price of the actual box. And it's all things in Walmart. So it's all like skincare, makeup, it's all beauty items inside of Walmart. So let's dig in. Let's dig into the box. So when you buy it, it comes with a plastic that's over it, which I took off, and the plastic has like my dress on it. So no damage to the box. And I actually like the Walmart beauty boxes. These tend to be like my favorite, just like I love the Macy's beauty boxes as well. So, ooh, yay! I always cheat and look. I was like looking while I was talking to you guys. I don't know why I cheat, and like I'm just gonna, let me just take a peek. They ain't gonna notice. And then I saw something I really like. Yay! All right, I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. But this is the card. So they give you, oh my god, this is why I love this box. So happy. I'm happy already. They give you like a little card, and it tells you like all the things that's in your box, or what you could have got in your box, I think. Because I don't think I got all of these items on here. All right, so I got excited for this. It's a facial oil mist. I've never used a oil mist. How would that even work? Restore your skin and mood with this rose oil face mist infused with aloe vera, known to calm skin, while the rose oil aroma enhances the relaxation of the mind. It says, need a boost, mist onto face throughout the day. So my skin is oily, so I don't know if this is a good idea me use this in the summertime when it's hot out, but maybe I'll use it at nighttime for like a little oil to my skin. This is, I'm happy for that. I don't even want to spray this because I'm about to go outside after filming. So, and it's hot outside. It is hot. It is hot. So your girl is not about to play herself and put this on now, but I will later. All right, what is this? Pink, new Suave Pink Smooth Performer, sulfate-free with amino acid complex, only at Walmart. So I got a 3-step cleanse, condition, and style. All right, so let's see what this does. It says, the sulfate-free shampoo gently cleanses, fights frizz, and helps tame unruly hair. I definitely need that. Oh, this is for frizz, softens, and detains unruly hair. Yes! Sold! Sold, sold, sold. And it says it helps add shine because my hair is very dry. Yes! Ooh, okay, so the next time I wash my hair, I'm definitely gonna use this. Super excited for this. This was nice. This was very nice. So far, 2 for 2. You guys see why I like this box? Like, they be killing the game, man. Killing the game. All right, so the next thing I got is Listerine Ready Tabs. So you get 8 tablets. This is interesting. It says whole mouth clean feeling on the go. Chew, swish, swallow. You swallow this? Chew? Ew. So you're literally supposed to, it says chew, if you look on the bottom, it says chew, swish, swallow. So you're supposed to chew this and you swish it in your mouth. So you're swishing it and then swallow it? Chewable tablets. I don't know about that. Is it like gum? It's not even like gum because you're supposed to swallow it. This is interesting though. I have to try it. Very interesting. It says a revolutionary way to get a whole mouth clean and fresh feeling anytime, anywhere. Interesting though. All right, the next thing I got is a Revlon Eye Pencil. It looks like this is the color's in black, which is nice because that's what most people use. I'm here for this box. I am here for this box. Walmart, keep doing your thing. Keep doing your thing. Up to 24-hour wear. Very nice. It says it has intense color, waterproof, and it says it has a smudger sharpener. So that's that. I have so many eyeliners, so many pencils, so many liquid liners. Just from all my boxes, like literally at least one of the boxes you get a mascara or liquid liner. So I don't want these to dry out, so I'm gonna wait on using this, but I'm excited to try it. And then I got 2 things from Cetaphil. It just started getting nice, I may be able to use this. Memorial Day, it was such a rainy, that whole weekend was rainy, so I didn't get to go to the beach. I had planned to go to the beach, but didn't get to go. So if I do get to go to the beach, I will try the Centerfields Sunblock. And I got this in one of my subscription boxes. I wonder if it was from my last Walmart box, because where else would I get a sample like this from? Nobody else would give Cetaphil in a subscription box, so it had to have been Walmart. So this was definitely a double that I got before, but I'll give this as a giveaway, so it's fine. And then that's it. So let's see what else I could have got. They also gave away, I didn't get this in my box, but they gave away a Wet n Wild mascara, an NYX plumping lip color, Almay lipstick, NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Radiant Primer. Oh, that would have been nice to try. John Frieda Frizz Curl Conditioner, Clean Beauty Avocado Hemp Mask, and a Find Your Happy Place Moisturizing Hand Cream, and a Dollar Shave Club Shave Butter. So that was all the options. Hold on. Can you guys see? There you go. These are all the options. Alrighty. I love the box. Why is it that the cheaper boxes end up being better? Sometimes this is the same day, but 2 boxes previously, I did my FabFitFun. That box was $49. $49. It's a seasonal box, just like Walmart Beauty Box. I didn't like pretty much anything, even though you get to pick your choices because I'm an annual member. But this season, I did not like anything for the most part. But meantime, Walmart Beauty Box seasonal. I didn't get to pick anything because it's just Walmart stuff. So I guess I'm not gonna have people choose for a Cetaphil moisturizer. But I loved everything for the most part. So it goes to show that just because you pay more money doesn't mean you're gonna like it. My Macy's Beauty Box that I just filmed too, loved it. Loved everything in the box. So I'm super happy for everything I got. Does any of you guys subscribe to the Walmart Beauty Box? Target has a beauty box as well, but that one is seasonal as well too. But that one you have to it's not a renewing subscription where you sign up and then every single season you get it. You have to keep going back to Target and getting the box. And every time they're always sold out. And I'm not here for getting anxiety every single time I want to get a Target beauty box, so I don't do those on my channel because it's just it's bad enough when they have mystery boxes, the anxiety to make sure you get a box. Now I gotta make sure for Target. No, negative. They should make it how Walmart is doing it. They probably will get more people. Because I know the Target box sells out that. Yeah, but anyway, that's really about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!